So hello and welcome to my channel. So in fact, it has become necessary for me to make this content, okay, because I've discovered that there are so many persons that with all the millions and all the billions people are making on YouTube, there are so many persons that actually don't know what to do and how to go about this. All right, and it's something that I'm really bothered about it, because you see several persons struggling and suffering, and some of these people are even educated graduates from universities, from colleges of educations, and they're struggling, and they have their phone. Okay, you have your phone with you, your handset with you, and you are still struggling. I don't think it's right. I don't think it's right. There's so many things that you could do with this phone. All right, and today I want to introduce us to certain ways that we can make money using this our phone. It's a powerful tool, guys. It's a very powerful tool. I'm going to be introducing, and these videos I'm going to be doing a lot of them, because I'm going to be unveiling so many secrets, so many ways that you can make money on YouTube. So many things you can do. So as you can see, I'm sharing my screen with you, and I'm going to go to YouTube, okay, and I'll be showing you some things very practical. All right, if you see, this is my YouTube channel. If you see here, I have a lot of channels. You can see this. I have a lot of channels. Look at this. I have a lot of channels here. You can see some are on fashion, like you guys know I'm into fashion. Some are on fashion, and of course I share messages as well. I have a channel like that as well. You see, so there are so many things I'm doing here. But today I'm going to be showing you things that you can do, all right, with this your phone. In fact, you don't even need to create the content. Okay. Now I'm going to be taking you through some channels and showing you some things people are doing, and so what you can do. Now, for instance, supposing you have a reaction channel. All right, let's just say a reaction channel. Let's start with that one. Now, what is a reaction channel? What does reaction channels do? You could pick a niche. All right, you could pick a niche. All right, maybe you are talking about, you pick a niche which is the cooking niche, or let's say you pick a niche which is the movie, okay, movies niche, okay, or you pick a niche which is the health, okay, or the academics, or any of them at all that you want. All right, for instance, let's say you take a cooking niche. All right, let's look at this cooking niche. Okay, now let me Google videos how to do with cooking. So my phone is here. I'm see, just watch my screen. Now I'm going to go to here and Google videos how to do with cooking. Let's say cooking, all right. And guys, niches like cooking niche, all right, finance niche, this reaction niche, review niche, okay, sport, health. These niches, their RPM is really interesting. Okay, finance. These niches, there are niches that you see someone is making over $10 for 1,000 views, $5 for 1,000 views, $20 for 1,000 views. Guys, by the time you have 100,000 views, you are making over $500. All right, these channels, their RPM is very good. It's very good. All right, because why is it so? Because so many people watch it. Um, come to health, everybody's interested in their health. Come to finance, everybody wants to make money. All right, and things like the cooking niche, other people just love seeing all these cooking things happening. Not that So let's just go to that cooking niche. Okay, let's say cooking. Okay, cooking videos. All right, now click on cooking videos. Now you can see these videos here. Now what we are talking about today is reaction. Okay, how to do reaction videos. Okay, but just imagine you are someone that when you are cooking, you just keep, as a lady or as a guy, whatever it is, whatever the guys also like cooking, not only girls, right? So, but let's say as a lady, you are cooking and just keep your phone by the side and it's just recording what you are doing, and at the end you compile into a video and you upload. But if you don't want to do that, let's look at this now. Okay, look at this video now, this cooking video. Let's play this video where this person is making eggs. All right, just keep it. Do you know that you can react to this video? All you need to do is to do what is to download this video into your phone, and let's say check another video of someone else that is also doing the same kind of cooking. Now you begin to do what? Begin to react to it. While the video is playing, like this one is playing right now, you are okay. For example, oh, okay, look at this person is making okay, this is 5 minutes feast, easy and delicious. The person is cooking something, this person is cooking rice. Okay, now let's look at the two different ways of cooking rice compared to this channel. This is Alia Riza, whatever the name is, and let's say you pick another video again from another different cooking channel. Let's say it's from Amaka cooking channel, all right, and Chioma's cooking channel, all right. You pick both videos on how to cook what, how to cook jollof rice. Okay, now say okay, if you look at Amaka's process of cooking, you can see the way she does it. She doesn't use spices as much as the other person. Okay, you can see her jollof rice. Okay, look at the way she slices her onions. It's not even okay. Maybe the other person slices it round, and she's slicing. No, just okay. Look at the oil she's using. Okay, this oil. What kind of oil do you think she's using? This oil is okay, yeah, okay. She's now frying this thing first. Meanwhile, Amaka said we'll frying the other one first. Is it making sense? Now, by the time you download these two videos and you are reacting, it can even be one self. You mustn't do two. Even if you're reacting to this one video, okay, this is how this person is making. Okay, so this is how to make. Guys, but come to confuse, why did she fry her onions first before frying pepper? Okay, you understand what I'm trying to say? You are reacting. You are not condemning what she did, but you are reacting to it. You understand? You're not condemning what the person is doing, but you are reacting to it. Guys, what I'm telling you, if you do it, believe me, there are a lot of reaction videos. And if you go on YouTube, you'll find so many different things people are doing. Okay, it could be a construction, it could be a manufacturing company, it could be anything, and you are reacting to what that video is doing. You just have to download the video and place it one side where the video is playing. You are doing busy what, reacting to it. And maybe I think you should chat me up in my comment section if you actually don't know how to do this and you want. I'm not here for adverts. Don't see this as an advert, but I'm thinking there are people that might be like, okay, I don't know how to do reaction videos. Can you please teach me? Just you can drop a comment and I'll see how I can connect with you. Maybe on my WhatsApp. Okay, I'll just leave my number there. You can connect to me. You can chat me up on WhatsApp and I'll do that for you. I'll teach you on how to do what, to make reaction videos. Like if you check my channel, Nat Fashion Hub, yeah, I did something, not really reaction. Yeah, I think I dropped a reaction video there as well. Even on this channel, there's a reaction video where I'm reacting to how a tailor is displaying his fashion skills. I think the video is there. Yes, you can check it. Just check in my videos to see a video where I said I made a video of is he bad on tailor displaying his skill or something. Just check, you see. That's just what I'm saying. You can react to videos differently like that, and so long as it's a reaction, okay, you are not just carrying somebody's video and pasting on your YouTube channel. Believe me, it's allowed on YouTube. All right, it has to be constructive, educative. All right, and you have to add your own content to it, like you showing yourself there and talking about what is happening in the video. It's already enough. So guys, like I said, I don't want the video to be too long, but this is one of the things you can do. One of the content you can create on YouTube. You are using your phone. If you don't have data, do YouTube night. That it's data at night. Okay, subscription. They say subscription for night period. You can just use less than 100 naira, and you subscribe for a night. Okay, and you do this thing. All right, so I'll stop here. I don't want the video to be too long, but I'll be dropping the videos on different things, okay, you can do with your smartphone and make a whole lot of money dropping the videos on YouTube. So thank you so much. I've said a lot. I'm trying to compress so many things in a short time, but I believe you've gotten something from this video. What I'm trying to say. Like I said, I have questions. Like I said, if you have questions, like I said, drop in the comment section and I'll answer them. Want to chat me up? That's my number. Chat me up and I'll put you through what you want to know. And all right. So thank you so much. Yeah, come your way next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.